Hey there, Greg Marchand. Look, understanding your customers' needs is easy if you pay attention. Here's the big problem with it. We get in our own heads. We know what we're trying to create, we know what we're trying to do every day, and we just want to say, forget you if you don't like it. Read your customer reviews. Read the reviews. They will tell you what your customers are looking for. If you want to take it so far as to build a focus group of customers, then do it, but don't take the customers that are your raving fans. See, that's the mistake all of us make in business, is we don't want to hear the baby's ugly. And so we pick the people that we know are raving fans of ours, like what we do, get what we do, agree with what we do, and we ask them. Those are not the people you want to be asking. You want to be asking your critics. You want to be asking the people that are part of the market that you want. I'm not saying go to the part of the market you don't want. Go to the part of the market you want, read their reviews, build a focus group, make some follow-up phone calls yourself, and find out what their needs and their expectations are for automotive repair, and then grow your business based on those. Keep up the great work, and never, ever, ever stop learning.